If you're encountering error code 21230011 while trying to access online features or launch games, it's not just a random glitch. According to Nintendo support, this error typically occurs due to network connection issues or server verification failures. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 of the most effective solutions I've found for resolving this problem. Let's dive right into them. Before we start, I want to clarify that these solutions are generally effective for a Nintendo Switch that hasn't been modded or jailbroken. If your Switch is jailbroken, there's a strong possibility that these fixes may not work for you. Please keep that in mind. Now, for solution 1, enable and disable airplane mode. Airplane mode is a really handy tool for fixing common network bugs. So while you're in the home menu, press and hold on to the home button of your Switch for 1 second, then toggle on airplane mode from here, wait 30 seconds, then toggle it off, see if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 2, change your internet security settings. Go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet, now open Internet Settings. Find the network that is giving you trouble and tap on it. Tap Change Settings, now tap on the security box. Here, make sure it's set to None. Set this to something out of these options. If you see your selected option is not working out for you, select another option. For example, let's select WPA-PSK. Now enter your Wi-Fi password and hit OK. See if that fixed the problem or not. If not, come back here and choose another security option. For me, personally, I prefer the WPA to -PSK. Hopefully, switching between one of these will help you resolve the problem. Solution 3. Change DNS. Open up your Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll down to Internet, then tap on Internet Settings. Select and open your Wi-Fi network. Now choose Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings and set this to Manual. Tap on the primary DNS section. Now enter the DNS 1.1.1.1 and hit OK. After that, tap on the secondary DNS section and enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Now save your changes. If your speed is still slow, go back to Change Settings. Try primary DNS 8.8.8.8. And once that is done, enter the secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. In most cases, the issue will be gone after this. Alright, that's a wrap, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great tips. Catch you in the next one.